Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 versus Ferrari 458. We'll dive into the key differences between these two iconic vehicles. One is a groundbreaking electric sedan, while the other is a legendary Italian supercar. We'll explore their unique strengths, from acceleration and handling to everyday usability and price point. Get ready to see how these very different machines stack up against each other. When it comes to raw performance, both cars impress, but in different ways. The Tesla Model 3 performance can hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, offering instant electric torque. The Ferrari 458, with its naturally aspirated V8, reaches 60 in 3.4 seconds, but its top speed is significantly higher. The Ferrari provides a more traditional, thrilling supercar feel, while the Tesla delivers silent, rapid acceleration. Beyond speed, practicality and cost are major differentiators. The Model 3 excels as a daily driver, offering comfortable seating for 5 and substantial cargo space. Its electric powertrain means significantly lower fuel costs. In contrast, the two-seater Ferrari 458 is built for pure driving pleasure, not grocery runs. The purchase price also varies greatly, with a new Model 3 starting around $40,000 versus a used Ferrari 458, often exceeding $200,000. So which car is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you seek cutting-edge technology, sustainable performance, and everyday usability at an accessible price, the Tesla Model 3 is an outstanding choice. However, if you crave the unparalleled thrill of a high-revving V8, exquisite Italian design, and a truly visceral driving experience, the Ferrari 458 remains an automotive icon. Both offer incredible experiences, just for very different drivers. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.